Hello guys, you are welcome in my channel. Today I will talk about fun food facts. So without further delay, let's get started. Most of us start our day with a coffee. So let's begin with a coffee fact. Fact number 1. American got their antioxidant from coffee. Antioxidants help us to fight against the heart disease. Fact number 2. Ripe cranberries are bounce. Ripe cranberries are also known as natural bouncing ball. Farmers also use this technique to check the ripeness of the cranberries. Fact number 3. Bird saliva is delicacy in China. Fact number 4. Food tastes different when we were flying. Fact number 5. There's a huge pulp in the shredded cheese. 6. Human DNAs are 60% same as banana. Fact number 6. Potatoes are 80% water. Fact number 8. India produces, consumes and exports the largest amount of chilies over the world. Fact number 8. Turkey consumes the most tea per person. Although Turkey's coffee is popular, tea is the bigger staples. Per capita, Turks drink 7 pounds of tea per year. Fact number 9. Bad eggs will float. If you need to check the freshness of your egg, put them in a cold glass of water. The fresher the egg, it will fall down faster in the bottom of the glass. South Africa popcorn is not popcorn. If you visit South Africa and get a popcorn for carving, be careful. Because in South Africa, what they call popcorn is not popcorn, it's a roasted termites and ant. Fact number 11. Fortune cookies are not Chinese. Fact number 12. In emergency, for the blood plasma, coconut water can be used. Fact number 13. Eating fast food regularly, the heart get impact the same as hepatitis. Fact number 14. Goat meat are most popular around the world. Fact number 15. Sound can influence the taste of your food. High frequency sounds improve the sweetness of the food, and low frequency sounds tell the taste of the bitterness of food. Number 16. There are more Indian restaurants in London than in Mumbai and Delhi. Fact number 16. Breakfast is not the most important meal of the day. Next fact. Apples are originally came from Kazakhstan. Over 66 tons of millions of apples are produced every year. And there are thousands of varieties of apple found around the world. There are also many myths and legends related with the apple. Next fact. Cauliflowers come in multiple colors. Although we typically see the white color flowers, it comes in orange, green and many more varieties. Next fact. Thomas Jefferson is responsible for made pasta popular in US. He first bring the macaroni machine over the USA after spending time in France. Next fact. French fries are originated in Belgium, not in France. It is called as French fries as it is cut in the shape of French. Next fact. Fruit Loops are all the same flavor. Because of the color, many children thought they were eating different types of flavor, but they are only the same flavor, different color. Next fact. McDonald's sells 2.5 billion of a hamburger every year. Next fact. Certain music can make you drink faster. Researchers had an experiment to see how people's drinking habit changed accordingly the music was playing. Faster music can make the people drink more faster. Cheese is the most stolen food in the world. In fact, it is stolen so much that it has a black market also. Next fact. Flute flavored shine because of car wax. Next fact. Broccoli is a man-made food. We did not get this food from plant. This is the last fact and its bonus fact of this video. Do you know how can we put alarm for a deaf person? Don't worry, there's a solution. There's the smoke alarm for the deaf.
Okay.